Okay, today we were going to record a video only for this air compressor. This air compressor we use in the air conditioner system, and is a high voltage component, and is controlled by CAN. And the power is supplied from the integrated controller. And we can see we have attached a panel for these components. K1 means the high voltage of the air conditioner. Now I turn on K1, and I go to the first gear. Now we can hear the sound of the working from the air conditioner compressor. Now I go to second gear. We can hear the speed is higher. And I go to third gear. Second gear. First gear. And we can see the system is working fine. The air conditioner system is working fine. Thank you for watching.